Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. It's a company that's 5 years old, co-founded by Elan Lee, an Xbox games designer. Now Exploding Kittens, which started with a card game that broke Kickstarter records, is out with lots more fun for the holiday season. From Cat and Mouth, which uses magnetic catapults to launch balls on a tabletop, to the word-guessing game Poetry for Neanderthals and a game called Throw Throw Burrito, the company has taken family fun without the need for a screen to new levels. Marketing manager Josh Weaver says the game ideas keep coming, even from fans.
I absolutely love it when people get excited about submitting an idea, and we have a section on our website. If you ever have an idea, please add your info there.
Don't be put off by the Exploding Kittens name. The company partners with Best Friends Animal Society, a nationwide no-kill animal rescue. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations, and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.